Qu'est-ce que vous en pensez?
I think it was a crazy game. It was open. But I think we started well this game, like our last game at home against Arsenal. It was good to see my play with this desire to with consistency to attack with a good pressing, with quality on the floor, a lot of chances, a lot of good moves. It was encouraging, and when we scored the third goal is at the beginning of the second half, I think we should have won this game with a little more experience and good covers, good and strong work defensive work. And of course, at the end, it's a shame because scoring 4 goals away with this quality on the floor and without the possibility to win the game, I think it's a shame. It's a good thing to show our quality, our desire to attack, and of course we have conceded a goal mistake, and perhaps it was the same with Tottenham for this team. But I think we have had a lot of chances, like in the first half, and with our quality, our desire, this game have to finish 3-1, 4-1, 4-2, but no, we lost.
Vardy, 20 goals in the Premier League this season. How impressed have you been working with him this season?
But I'm happy about his work, of course, about his mentality, because he doesn't just score goals, but he gives the boost, the good boost with the team, with his pressing, with his character. And after, I think Jamie need good service, and I think the play we can have give him a good opportunity, good chances. It's not just a long ball and just battles and duels with the opponent centre back. I think it's a good service. He had a other good chance, I think, in the first half, for example. And it's good. It's important because he's always available between the line, just behind the defenders. He move. He has a good move behind, and he's a striker. He's a good scorer. And of course, it's a good feeling to finish with 20 goals and with his quality. And I hope in the future we can continue to give him a good service. He can score a lot of goals.
5 plus entre lui et Kane. Est-ce qu'il peut jouer deux en avant comme partenaire?
I think sometimes, of course, these two players can play together because I can like to play between the line, to play with his teammate, try to combine. He needs sometimes to move between defender and midfield, and Jamie like staying at the line and always with good possibility, good moves, a good solution behind the defenders. Perhaps it will be a good balance. But after is the choice and the work for the manager, national manager, because after the team need also a good balance to build the play and a good balance to defend also. These other things.
Goal and 2 assists for Riyad, performed really well. Do you think that'll be the last time fans see him in a Leicester shirt?
Riyad, like other players in the squad, is under contract with Leicester City, with Leicester Club, and we will see, like for all the other players, what happens in the summer transfer window. Just our our desire, and it will be to strengthen to try to strengthen the team, the squad, and to keep a good balance in the team with experienced player, talented player, young player to develop, all these things. And we will see with Calm, with the owner, John, on the pre-season.
Vous avez de la confiance que ce serait vous qui sera de retour au commencement de la prochaine saison?
I'm here just to try and to try to develop, to help the club in this development, in the structure. I try to develop the young player, also experienced player, because we put in place, I think, a new play. We evolve in our play. I think we try a good play on the floor. We have seen this today, for example, and it's important to continue this work. It's the second time we finished 9 on the table in the first part of the table after a tough period at the beginning of the season, and it's just the second time. For 18 years, and then Leicester finished in the first part of the table. The situation shows that it's a young player without experience, without stability, solidity, and we need to improve this club on the structure, on his squad also, and with different aspects. And I think this club needs stability. And I try to make this work. And after other things, speculation, noise is not my concern.
You've seen work the club now for 6-7 months, and you said that you need to develop the way the club plays. How many players do you think you need to bring in to be able to achieve what you want to achieve with this club?
I think all the last games with all these injury players also, because 8 players today, for example, were not available for the game. But in the last game, it's a good possibility, good opportunity to give some game time for different players and to see their quality and to make after a point with the owner, with John, with the strength we needed to add for the team. I think it's important. It's important to give us good strength for the team and to try to continue this development and. Some young player, for example, on the pitch, on the bench, come in and it's good. But all these players need a lot of work and to continue this work with calm, stability, and to try, of course, to have good results, to maintain good performance.
We're into the transfer period now, a lot of speculation around your players, but there's also speculation about you as well. Reports in France linking you with the Saint-Etienne job.
Vous êtes conscient de la spéculation, on parle, il y a du bruit en France en ce qui concerne vous et Saint-Etienne, d'entraîneur là-bas.
I think for me, I'm contract with, and when I have a contract, I respect my contract. It's just this, and it's not for me my thought to look of the other opportunity or no, because of my future and my thought is just for Leicester Club, just this. And when we work with all the squad, with the staff, with the player, and we live sometimes tough period, tough moments, but also some good feeling. I think we cannot thinking other things than the future of Leicester. Just this.
you.
Thank you.